Hello, how are you doing? My name is Deh Chukwuka. I'm a freelance copywriter and I've been doing this for over 10 years, right? So, today I want to talk about your freelance profile, okay? You've been wondering why your profile is invincible, why it feels as though you are just non existent on freelance platforms, on Fiverr, on Upwork, People Per Hour, freelancer.com, even LinkedIn. It's just as though you don't exist on these sites, and for some reason, you're wondering why. What have you been doing wrong? What are you not doing right? Okay, so I want to share with you why this is, why this happens, and then I will tell you what you need to do to get it right. Okay, all right, please pay attention. Now, as you know, freelancing is a game of numbers. Freelancing is a game of competition. The competition is vast. If you think you know something, maybe you're a freelance copywriter or even a writer, a designer, there are over 10 million designers on the other side. There are over 10,000 designers, even just 1,000 designers. That's a lot of people. If you think about it, that's a lot of persons doing what you do when you think about it. So what does this mean? It means clients simply go through one, two, three profiles and they find their man. Meaning they can just come to your profile, look at what you say you are, who you say you are, and for some reason, which by now I think it's coming to you, the profile is not standing out. Your profile is just weak. It's extremely weak, and they're like, okay. They move on. They move to the next guy, the next profile, and maybe the next profile is stronger, and they work with that guy. Okay, in essence, what have I just said? I'm letting you know that when your profile is weak, when your profile is poor on any freelance platforms, on any social media platform as well, including something like LinkedIn. As you know, LinkedIn functions as a freelance platform itself because you get a lot of clients from there, right? So when your profile is weak, you are just setting yourself up to fail. You're just telling clients, well, you don't have to hire me. Please don't hire me. I'm not good enough. Do you understand? This is why your profile game should be top notch. And by your profile, I mean your bio. What do you say you are? Who do you say you are? What do you do? Do you understand? This is what you've been getting wrong. This is one major reason why you've not been getting gigs. This is one major reason why clients have been just sliding past your profile. When they see your account, they just walk past because your profile is not telling them exactly who you are and how you are going to help them. There are two different things. Who you are. Who am I? I'm a freelance copywriter. I write copies. How am I going to help my clients? I'm going to help them make more sales. I'm going to help them generate more income. I'm going to help them make more money selling their products, creating awareness. Do you understand? It's not just about who you are, it's about how you can help. Now, do you get it? I'm sure you do. Okay, so how do you fix this? How do you fix being invincible? How do you fix your profile issues? Well, the major thing you should do is to revamp it, completely rewrite it. If you feel it's strong enough, then maybe you can just tweak it a bit, just a little adjustment here and there, and it will be fine. But if you are worried, maybe this particular profile is not really okay, maybe from what I've just said, you've seen that your profile is actually weak. It can't convince anybody. Then what you do is to rewrite it, completely rewrite it, start afresh. Go over the internet, just go across, look around. You're going to see a lot of people who do what you do, who have won clients, top clients doing what you do. So all you have to do is look at how their profile is. Okay? If you're having issues creating profile, you can always reach out to me. I will be willing to help you. Right? So I believe I've fixed that issue for you. Your profile is the first thing a client sees the moment they come to your freelance account, no matter what. Your Fiverr, your Upwork, your People Per Hour, freelancer.com, LinkedIn. As soon as someone clicks your profile and your profile says, this is who I am, this is what I do, this is how I can help you. If that person really wants someone like you, they are going to hire you. But when they open your account and it's just scattered, it's just here and there, it's all over the place, there is no consistency, there is no true meaning of what you do and how you can help them, then they will just leave. Do you understand? I believe I've helped you today, so why not you help me back by liking and subscribing? I'll see you in the next video.